Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jeff here with Project Next. We've been dry all summer and boy has it been hot, but now the tropical storms have come past and man, as things turn green and boy is stuff growing. So this afternoon I'm going to try to knock out some bush hogging. So come on right along and check out the old 3032 with the Frontier 60-inch bush hog behind it. Anyway, we got some tall stuff to knock down, but let's go see her. This part of my land that we're headed over to, last year at this time, was completely covered in trees. You could not drive through it. You could not get a bush hog through it. It was just completely thick wooded area. And over the winter time, we brought in a mini excavator and we took out all the saplings and we cleaned it all out. Still quite a bit of work left to be done with pruning up the trees even more, killing out more of the poison ivy that's growing up the trees. But in time, it's going to really be a pretty piece of property. My goal right now, over the summertime, is just keeping it from getting back out of control. So I think this is about the third time that I have went through and bush hogged it. So this will be my third time. So anyway, we'll go knock it down. Just wanted to say thank you so much for you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Really working hard to build my channel up. So would really appreciate it if you guys would take the time to like, share, and subscribe. Really working hard, so that helps so much with the algorithms with YouTube, and would be so much appreciated. So thanks so much, guys. Please be sure to do that now. Well, hey guys, all finished up with the bush hogging and it turned out really nice. So the old 3032 really did a great job. It's a perfect combination with the 60-inch Frontier bush hog. So really pleased with the way that performs. And listen, with as promised, please check out now. I'm going to bring you the end reveal, a little something different. Hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Thanks.